are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. Thank you so much for asking. And how about you? How are you doing?
Amazing, amazing. Good to see you after so long. We are meeting after 1 month, I guess.
Yes, I think so. More than a month.
More than a month, yeah. Okay, so how's weather there?
Yeah, I can say it's rainy season, so it's fine. Little bit cold and normal.
Do you like rainy season? Some people do not like.
Yes, even though, yeah, it's okay, I can say. But if it is going to be like, rain for continuously for several hours, then it is going to be difficult for me whenever I go out. I'll get trouble, so I don't like it. If it is raining for 1 hour, 2 hours, then fine. But yeah, if it is raining for a very long period of time, I don't like it.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. And how was your day today?
Yeah, it was nice. Fine. How about you? And how are the things with you?
It was decent. It was a decent day, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. So, I forgot. Can you please tell me again what you do?
Yes, I think I'm a student of masters. I'm pursuing a master's degree, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. Apart from
Ah,
this, I'm running a YouTube channel which is based on spoken English conversations, and I'm helping others to speak better English as well. That's what I do.
okay, okay. So you are a teacher as well, right? You're educating people, right?
Yes, you can say somewhat.
Okay, okay. So how does it feel being a teacher and teaching?
Yeah, it's very nice. I like it because you'll have to try your best to make others understand. And basically, I help them in spoken English, so it's very nice and it's practical in conversation. You'll have to talk with it people. You'll have to boost their confidence so they can speak better. So I feel really good.
Okay, and what methodology do you use for teaching? Just talking or something else?
I don't really think so that I have a kind of method. It's very practical. That first I am making them comfortable to understand me, and spoken English is all about giving them chance to speak as much they can, and I'm correcting them, giving them feedbacks, and telling them, of course, they are nice and they are good speaker because we are learning second language. This is not the first language, so we are far far better than a lot of people who are able to speak a single language. So then they are able to believe. I have seen a lot of people who are not able to believe in themselves that they will be able to do it. So believing in themselves is going to make them confident, and they'll be able to do it. That's what I feel.
Okay, so do you also become motivational speaker? Do you motivate also them because sometimes they fail to believe, right, that they can also speak?
Yes, exactly. When it comes to if they feel like low self-esteem and stuff like that, I'm helping them to come out from it.
Mhm. Okay. Last time you told me that you are learning something about spirituality. So tell me how's your spiritual journey going on?
Yeah, it's fine. Yes, I do chanting and I do a lot of the stuff. I'm trying to learn, understood a lot of things about life because we have the control over few things only, but I think everything is going to be controlled by the Lord. So we will have to understand it. So that's what I'm exploring. It's very deep. Every single day you'll have to understand something new about life. So it's going on.
Okay, amazing. So Ashutosh, do you want us to talk about the topic or you want to talk about something else of your choice or anything in general?
Yeah, we can talk about topic, no problem.
Okay, so your topic is age. So tell me what's your favorite age or age group?
Yeah, I must say the golden age of our life is like, according to me right now, we must say like in childhood when we are in when we are a child, that's a wonderful time. Everybody is loving you, giving you a lot of appreciation. So that was a wonderful age. But right now, also, I'm in my 20s. So this is a wonderful age where you can do a lot of things for yourself. And if you are able to do a lot of things at this moment, you are going to get the benefit for next 30 or 40 years in your life. So this is a wonderful age too.
Mhm. Okay, so how was your teenage life? Was it interesting
Yeah,
or was it not?
exactly. It was quite interesting. I was back in hostel. I studied in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, so it was wonderful. It was golden age. I used to spend a lot of time with my friend, teachers. I used to study there, so that was nice. And because every living in a campus was really fantastic. Now I feel so because now I'm living on a rented room that is totally different from that campus life. So being a teenager when I was there in campus, it was really nice.
Okay, and do you have any stories, anything interesting which happened or something you learned? You can share any stories, any incidents has happened, something interesting you can share.
Yeah, interesting about the hostel is like I can say that it depends. You can get the friends like you want because and the first thing is that when you are living home, you can't get friends for 24/7. But there
Mhm.
in hostel, you can get friends. You can share your schedule with them. You can go like for a study together. So that's what we used to do when I was a student of 12th, like intermediate. I used to go in night also, in the morning also. We used to study together. So this was very nice. But in home, when you are living like in house, you can't do
Mhm.
it because you can't be with your friend for like at night or in the morning.
Yeah.
So it was really nice for us to learn together and help each other. Whenever we used to stuck at any question, I was helping my friends, and my friends they used to help me with the like subjects. So that was very nice. And I learned a lot living there because when you are living alone, you are able to understand how life is and how you are going to take your decisions about life. Because when you are living with your family, always you will say, "Oh, okay, mom, tell me like what should I do now?" But when you are living alone, every single time you can't call your parents, and you will have to take decision for yourself. So I learned how to take decision for myself and what is going to be the right choice for me, as I had chosen commerce for myself. So because it was my own decision that I'll be able to do something good in commerce, that's why I chosen that. Such kind of things I learned in hostel. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And at this point of life, are you satisfied? Are you happy with your life? Because because you're reading spirituality, that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, of course. Life is I don't have any regret. I'm happy. You will have to be satisfied. If you are not satisfied, then you will have a lot of things in your mind. I'm not satisfied in that sense. You if you would like to go forward in your career, you'll have to be little bit greedy, and then only you can go forward. If you are totally satisfied, then you're not going to work like and you're not going to go forward. So I would like to go forward in this professional stuff as well. Along with that, I'm happy whatever it is. So yeah.
Okay, okay. So let me ask you this question. It is not related to age, but can I ask you this?
Yes, you can.
Okay, okay, okay. Because you're reading spirituality, that's why I'm very eager to know your points. Okay, so if I want to get something, okay, so something I really want to get, and if I'm not able to, okay, so how should I motivate myself to get over with that? I'm not being able to let go. For example, if I want to get something, I'm not being able to let go. So how spirituality would help me heal?
Yeah, spirituality is something which is going to teach you the real purpose of life. Okay, this is the materialistic world, so you will crave for a lot of material thing in this world. Of course, if you are not able to get it, you like fine. You'll have to say it's okay. Maybe due to your you want to like we are based on past karma as well. Whatever we
Mhm,
did in last, that we are getting this right now because we believe
mhm,
in reincarnation. So this kind of thing is there. So something you can relate. They are teaching us this stuff. Like if you're not able to get it, maybe due to your last karma, something like you're not able to have those things. But you'll have to give your efforts. Like Arjun, in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said to Arjuna that you will have to do your own karma, whatever it is. Apart from this, you don't have to wait for the results. Whatever results will be there, it will be in God's hand. So you'll
Hmm.
have to give your 100%, and you'll have to feel satisfied that you tried your best. That's it. Apart from this, whatever result will be, it is not in your hands. So that's how you can do it. If you have given your 100% for anything, then you should feel satisfied for it.
That was so satisfying answer, yeah. Amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So, do you plan your life as per age? Like, do you have goals at this age? You have to do this at this particular age. I have to accomplish this, or do you just go with the flow? Do you plan your
Yeah,
life according
before,
to the age or not?
yeah, actually, few years ago, I had some kind of goals related to age, but now I understood life is not certain. You can't
Hmm.
predict anything. Of course, you can say that you would like to do till that age, but nothing is certain. I understood because I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, right? Maybe something happens with my family or financial crisis, so I'll have to do something else. Right now I'm following my passion, I'm doing YouTube and I'm doing the stuff which I want to do. But if anything is going to happen in my family, I'll not be able to do it. So now I'm not just limiting myself with like I'll have to do this. But of course, whatever I'm doing, I'm continuing. If situation is going to change, I'll change myself accordingly. That's it.
Nice. Wonderful. Okay. So, what else? Tell me what are your plans for now? You're 20, right? In your early 20s,
Yes, I'm in
right?
my early 20s. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So after like 5, 10 years, not 5 years, 10, 20 years, do you have any specific plan to do? Anything in your
I
mind?
would love to see myself as a good public speaker, a spoken English trainer, coach, and I would like to grow my own YouTube channel. So that's what I would love to do, and I can start my own institution as well, where I can help a lot of people to speak better English. Because now it is very important for everyone in a country. We are having 1.5 billion people who are craving to speak better English because it is an universal language, and if you speak better English, you can get the opportunities all around the country, all around the world. So I would love to help others to speak better English, and I will tell them English is not everything. If you are able to speak, fine. If you're not able to speak, then also it's fine, because it's a language only. Like it's not everything. So you'll have to believe in yourself, and if you have talent, come out, do something for yourself, do something for the country. That's what I would love to say to them, and I will help others to boost their
Amazing.
confidence.
Amazing, amazing. And what's your YouTube channel's name? Last time also I forgot to ask. Last time
Yeah,
you
my
didn't tell
YouTube
me
channel.
your. Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
tell me.
Yeah, my YouTube channel name is Ashu Official 2021.
Okay, okay. And how many subscribers do you have? I would
I
definitely check
have
your YouTube channel
crossed,
after the session.
yes. Oh, thank you. I have crossed 7,000 subscribers recently.
Oh, okay, okay. So how does it feel? 7,000 people follow you?
Yeah, like I'm fine. Of course, like when you get more followers, you get more responsibility as well. So
Oh,
you'll have
yeah.
to do something and you'll have to make content for them. I feel good that they are supporting me, and
Okay.
I'm so happy for it.
Yeah, they must be always writing you something or the other, right? That please help me with English, please make this video, that video, right?
Yes, exactly. A lot of comments get, and they are asking me like, how can I be better in spoken English? So I'm trying to help them if they're interested in conversations. Of course, I'm just saying to them, you can text me or you can send me a mail so I can have a conversation with you.
Amazing, amazing. So, Ashutosh, we are towards the end of the session. So, do you have any specific question for me? If you have, you can just ask me. Otherwise, I'll say 2, 3 lines and we'll end the session.
No, I don't have any specific question.
Amazing,
Thank you.
amazing. Yeah,
Mhm.
you speak really well, but last time I have only talked to you once, but today you seem little off. I don't know why. Maybe today you're not so. I don't know, but like, are you stressed out?
No, you can say that after a very long time now I'm back on track because I was not in a rhythm and I got shifted to another place, or so it's been very long now I'm doing a video. So yeah, you can say that. Or maybe I have a little sore throat also. That is
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
difference in voice.
Yeah. But the way you speak, it's really good. You speak incredibly well. I every time you give an answer, I'm like, oh my god, you speak really well. Your the way you choose words for your answers, it's really amazing. And that's why people love you so much. That's why you have 7,000 people following you because you speak really well.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So I don't have any specific suggestion for you because you're already doing great. But keep up the practice. As you said, after a long
Okay.
time, you're speaking, practicing. I mean, using this particular website. So I think whenever you're at your home, keep on practicing. Okay. Even if you do not have time, just give 10-15 minutes, talk to yourself, talk to your friends in English. Okay. So that you
Okay.
do not get disconnected with the language. Okay. But you
Yeah, sure.
already do, right? You have your channel. But you said after
Yes.
a long time you're coming on the track, so I was like, maybe you were not talking. Okay. Okay, so we can end the session now.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you so much. Good night. Take care.